Yo, so as you can see, guys, today I'm dressed like very sleazy, right? Very nice, very smart. And that's because today I'm going to talk about a very important topic. What is the most simplest and the most effective way to increase and boost your testosterone? Okay, I'm not gonna bullshit. I'm gonna be straightforward with you. Cold shower, sleep well, eat well, train, cardio. That's it. And I guarantee you, even after 1 week of doing all these things, even not like 100% do it, because I have actually a video on consistency. You might think you're not consistent, but you actually are. So go watch that. It's gonna be like, even doing it for just a week, or even better, for a month, you're gonna see so many benefits. Bro, your testosterone will just skyrocket. Because bro, if you are gonna be consistent in these 5 things, so bro, like legit, write it down. If you didn't know about this, write it down. Sleep well. Usually what people say, it's around 8 hours, but you have to find out for yourself. You have to find out what's the best time for you. Then we have eat well. So, okay, we're gonna use Pareto principle here. If you don't know this, we are doing 20% of the efforts and we're gonna get like 80% of results. So what I mean by that is, if you want to eat better, if you want to remove, just stop eating junk food, what you do is don't really like try and do all of these diets. Just remove the junk food and stop drinking soda. That's it. Just drink water. Just drink water and eat some salads, oats, eat some grains, whatever, bro. Yeah, but carnivore diet must be better, bro. Just, if you haven't done it, just do this, okay? But the benefits are just immense, bro. They are awesome. Your testosterone will fucking obliterate your body, bro. I don't know about that one. But you're gonna feel so much better. You're gonna feel so much more masculine, bro. You're gonna regain your masculine energy. That's fucking awesome. So what I want you to do right now is, if you have a calendar that you plan your day on, like Google Calendar or whatever, right? I want you to just put 4 categories if you haven't done this yet. Okay, like look, bro, I'm gonna show it right now, so let's do it together. So you can actually create like categories, which I didn't know. I used Google Calendar for like half a year. I didn't know this existed. So look. Okay, look, so right here I have my calendar. It looks ass right now because I just started school. And okay, so right here, bro, I have my shit on French, but forget about it. So we have this. We have the categories, and what we want to do, how we want to add is go here, so other calendars, and then create an agenda. And here we just call it, I don't know, it can be anything, like daily habits. Yeah, I mean, here, like I have all this. I have family, meals, purpose, bro, routines, shallow work, studying, training. Yeah, so you just create here, you click this, and then you want to make it like nicely organized, so right here I have morning routine plus little training. What I do as well, I write down here what I want to do. So yeah, cold shower as well, bro, it's awesome. I'm gonna tell you right now how to do it. So yeah, it's pretty much it. Just want to plan your stuff out. And I have an evening routine as well. Maybe if yeah, so look what I have. Winding down, preparing for tomorrow, journaling, blah blah blah. So you see, it's very nice. It's very nice because it's just being able to categorize everything is so nice, man. So yeah, here it is. So we have meals, we have training sessions, and sleep time. So if you don't have this set, do this right now. But for those who did it, I know that you might be still struggling to actually do the thing, to actually do the task. So actually, what I think the block is, the freaking stone wall that is in front of us when we're about to do the task, that doesn't, like this mental wall, this mental brick wall that doesn't allow us to do the task. I think it's actually our mindset. It's not what we do, it's just our mindset, bro. It's what I saw with me, right? Because when I would have this very hard like training session, like I know that this training session is hard, and I just see it there in the in my calendar, and I'm like, oh shit, I gotta do it, but I'm scared, bro.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell.
So what we want to do is shift our mindset. We want to shift our mindset. And so the main reason I think why can't we just go into the task is because you just think of this task too much. Okay, you might actually already know that, but how you going to actually change your mindset? So look, yeah, this is the main reason. The main reason is that we just think about it for too much. We think how hard it is. You see? We think how hard it is. We only think how hard it is. It's just gonna waste our time. Well, this personally what I had the thought that, oh, I mean, man, it's just gonna waste my time. Should I just go do my homework? No. Nah, man. So to what mindset do we actually want to shift? It's actually pretty simple, and you might already know this. It's so silly because with me it was the same thing. I knew about this, but I haven't actually used it. So what you want to do, just think of the benefits that your training is gonna have on you. It's actually such a simple mindset to have. It's so simple on the paper, right? Just view the hard tasks not as a hard task, but more of how beneficial it is. So now that you remember this mindset, or maybe you didn't know it, okay? So maybe you've remembered it, maybe you didn't know, you just found out about it. So now that you know about it, you can go and increase your testosterone. You can fucking break the levels of your ancestors and achieve like the full potential. I believe in you, bro. So now step into that gym and think to yourself, if I'll finish this session, my testosterone will be just off the freaking charts. I'll feel awesome. Maybe I'll get more energized. I'll feel proud for myself. My muscles will grow, therefore my self-confidence will increase. And there's just so many benefits. You can name them yourself, I'm sure. So that's quick little guide, quick little problem that some of the people might have. Hope it helps. Appreciate it, bro. Take care and peace.